How to log in to Jockey Club account. So if you want to log into your Jockey Club account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Jockey Club. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is www.jockeyclub.com, and it will take you to the website. So now you can go for visit the registry, which is on the upper right. And here you need to enter your email address on the first blank and your password on the next blank to log into your account. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password, and after clicking on forgot password, you can simply enter your email address that you have used to create your account, and after that you can reset or recover your password. And once you've done that, you can click on login, and after clicking on login, you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Jockey Club account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.